Want to control your Ubuntu server from Windows? In this video I will show you how to install OpenSSH, connect using MobaXterm and set up passwordless SSH login. Here is what you will learn. First, update the package list and install the OpenSSH server. Now let's make sure the SSH service starts automatically after every reboot. If the status shows active running, SSH is ready to accept connection. Next, let's check the firewall status. In my case, UFW is currently inactive, so there is nothing else to configure. We'll cover firewall configuration in a separate video. Now let's find the server's IP address. We'll use this address to connect from Windows. Open MobaXterm and create a new SSH session. Enter your IP address, username and leave the default port set to 22. Click OK, enter your password and you are connected. Let's quickly verify everything is working. These commands help you inspect your server and verify the connection. Now let's generate an SSH key pair and copy the public key to the server. After that, reconnect to the server. This time you will log in without entering your password. In this video, we installed OpenSSH, enabled the SSH service, connect from Windows using MobaXterm and configured passwordless SSH login. In the next video, we will secure our SSH server by disabling both login and password authentication. Thanks for watching.